Welcome back! My name's Angela and I will be your host. I hope that you enjoy. Today I'm going to show you how to take your seashell from drab to fab. This seashell is fresh out of the sea from Walmart, and this seashell has been dry brushed with metallic folk art gold. I'm going to show you how to use a dry brushing technique to make your seashell stand out with a little bit of gold. There is our gold color. Next, we're going to get a little bit of paint on a semi-stiff brush, and then make sure that you wipe almost all of it back off. Next, I'm going to take my seashell and gently brush across all the little edges. If you leave a little bit of brush marks on the inside part, that's fine. And I'm just going to continue to turn it in my hand and get gold on all of those little raised up areas to bring them out. And I have been doing crafts all day, so you will have to excuse my hands. They have a little bit of stain on them, a little bit of paint on them, a little bit of everything on them. If you watch my channel, you'll understand what's going on. So I've gone ahead and lightly brushed this gold color over the little tips of the shell. You can brush as much as you want or leave it as it is. This one has been heavily brushed, so it has a lot of gold on it. Next, you can choose to paint the inside of the shell or leave it as is. I like the inside painted, so I'm going to go ahead and get quite a bit of paint on my brush to fill that inside. And this paint really isn't that thick, so you may need to do a couple coats, or if you're anxious like me, one thick coat, which I don't recommend, but do what I say, not as I do. By the way, I have some videos coming out on glazing ceramics with wood stain, as well as a flat surface and a shell, believe it or not. We painted a shell and then we glazed it, so you definitely should check those out when they come out. As soon as you feel like you've brushed enough gold onto your shell, the next step is to let it dry. And then if you would like to protect it, then go ahead and apply some clear nail polish over the top. So the nail polish that I'll be using it's called Pure Ice. It's not a really expensive nail polish, but it definitely gets the job done. You can also use varnish or really anything that you prefer. That will make the shell a little bit shinier. Since this shell is dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply some clear nail polish to seal it. And I don't want to smear any of the paint in case it's not all the way dry, so I'm just going to kind of dab the nail polish on. As you can see, when you put the nail polish on the shell, it does give it a little bit more shine, and once again it will protect that gold from coming back off. Go ahead and get that clear coat all over your shell and then leave it overnight to dry. This nail polish does have just a tad bit of gold glitter in it, which adds to the beauty of the shell. This is the finished look. Put it on your desk, put it in your pocket, or put it on a chain and use it as a necklace. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up to help it get pushed out to other people who might also enjoy this type of video. So I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic, beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.